Elise Hoson, dinepensahan si Makoy De Leon sa bashers. Nagsimula ang lahat ng kumalat ang screen-recorded video ng followings ni Makoy sa TikTok. At ang napansin ng netizens ay puro ito magaganda at sexy na mga babae. Kaya naman people online flooded this video with harsh comments like this. Biggest red flag Makoy, Elise deserves someone better. Isinasabuhay ata ni Makoy yung karakter niya sa Batang Quiapo eh. Kawawa naman si Elise at Feliz. Kaya naman pala ayaw ng nanay ni Elise kay Makoy. Makoy's following instantly became private pagkatapos mag-viral ang video na ito na ngayon ay may 1.2 million views na. Hindi nagsalita si Makoy tungkol sa issue na ito, pero agad naman nag-post si Elise para depensahan si Makoy. In a lengthy post with their intimate photos, Elise said, "Don't put him in a category, don't put him in a box, not any label or description you put him into. A person worthy of being known for himself as a whole. Not his past, not his mistakes, not whatever you seem as. Makoy, just Makoy, a human being just like you. But for me and Feliz, he is our family. He is what Feliz has." Elise ended her post by writing a message para kay Makoy. "Makoy ko, these pictures are not enough, but I hope these moments remind you that for the people that matter, we see you. We hear you. We appreciate you. Pop Lifers, anong sa inyo? Kapag ba nagpa-follow ng sexy and beautiful girls ang partner nyo, red flag na ba ito agad? Tell us what you think. Follow poplife.ph because you can't miss out.